Shoba Fanas, it's your boy The Craft, and I'm back with another fire episode. In this episode, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly maintain your drone batteries. A very short one. It's very simple, guys. My first suggestion is that you make sure that your drone charger is put on the right settings. There are different types of drone batteries, so you need to make sure that your drone is set. If you're charging lithium ions, charge it in lithium ion mode. If you're charging lipos, charge it in lipo mode. The second suggestion would be to select the right amplitude or amp power for your drone. These newer drone chargers or drone battery chargers are quite smart, so it will pick the right voltage according to the amperage, the amps that you actually select. I use the D6 Pro by Hota, HOTA, which has smart enough information for you to actually, pick the right voltage when you pick your amperature settings. Third suggestion is that you should get a drone carrying case. This will avoid you having unnecessary explosions when you're not at home, or if you're not monitoring your batteries. Make sure that you have a carrying case, or if you're traveling, rather have a carrying case, because if one of your batteries explodes, at least the fire will be contained within that case and it will protect whatever stuff is around you. Fourth suggestion would be that you charge your drone batteries supervised. Don't ever charge your batteries then leave the room or leave them unmonitored, because that is a huge fire hazard. There will be a situation where your drone battery, or there will be, there's likelihood for the drone battery to actually explode. So don't take that chance. Always monitor your drone batteries. Fifth suggestion is that make sure that you're charging your drone batteries on an unflammable surface. Avoid explosions, avoid fires. You don't want to burn down your house. You don't want situations where, you putting your house and your luxury items or whatever, your items in the house at risk. So always charge on a tile or outside or in a place where it's cool. In terms of storage, again, make sure that your drone batteries are stored in a cool, dry place. Don't store your drone batteries in a humid place, nor do you should store your batteries in a hot or too cold place. Make sure that it's at a decent room temperature, probably around 10 to 25 degrees Celsius. I would suggest that is a decent storage area where you can have your drone stored properly. Final suggestion is that, what did I suggest now in terms of your drone? Oh, always make sure that if you're going to fly your drone, maybe the day in the next few weeks or whatever, put it at storage capacity, which is 3.8 voltage. The reason why you want to increase the lifespan of your drone batteries, so don't now store them at full charge or its lowest voltage, because you're going to damage your batteries. In terms of flying, also another safety suggestion is that don't fly your drone batteries below the 3.5 voltage range. With lipos, the lowest you could go is 3.2, but it's going to diminish the quality of your battery. You can do it, but I wouldn't suggest it. With lithium ions, I think the lowest is 3 volts. So my suggestion, if you want to keep the the lifespan of your drone batteries at a good rate. Don't go below 3.5 volts. And there you have it, guys. If you stuck around to this point, please hit that like and subscribe button. Show your support by commenting down below. Share this video, because that's what fuels this channel, and I appreciate you for watching till this point. And let's get it.
And a labaga fa.